Hi, welcome back to Musicians Edition Music Theory. Because of our Halloween special, we're going to go ahead and learn about these guys, 16th notes. Are you ready? Let's go! All right, so I wasn't planning on teaching us the 16th notes so soon, but because of our Halloween special, it's gonna really help us. So this is the 16th note on its own. It has the two flags. This is what the 16th notes look like when they're all together. And the way you count it is one E and a. This is all worth one beat. So it's gonna get really crazy now. So looking at some of our sheet music, the whole note is 1, 2, 3, 4. Our half notes are 1, 2, 3, 4. And then our quarter notes are 1, 2, 3, 4. And then our eighth notes is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then the 16th notes is 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. So it's gonna get crazy. A lot of times we're going to see an eighth note attached to the 16th note, and it's gonna look like this. Like for this instance, we have the 16th, 16th, 8th note. It's gonna be, so we're gonna see that a lot. And then there are times it's the opposite way, so it's going to be an eighth note to a 16th. That's what that would be like. So it's gonna get crazy. But just like with everything else, the more we practice it, the more we do it, the more it's gonna make sense. So looking at this sheet music here, let's take a moment to count this. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 rest. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4. One and 2, 3 E and a 4 and. And then this one would be 1 and 2 and 3 E and a 4. So there are so many different variations of seeing the 16th notes. If you play an instrument like the flute, you're gonna see those a lot. So really get used to seeing them and getting comfortable with them. Now I'm gonna try to take our music back to what we know, but I really wanted to just prepare you for our Halloween special because it's gonna be super fun. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be a challenge, but it's gonna be fun. And I believe it's really good to challenge ourselves sometimes. If you're easy the whole way through, we're never gonna get anywhere. So I want you to be ready for our Halloween special. So this here, 16th notes. So this is what we're gonna start seeing for our Halloween episode. All right, I just wanna send a quick reminder to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and the notification button so you don't miss any of our lessons. All right, thanks for joining me, and until next time.